So, ito, droga. I said, sorry. Meron ditong tumawag sa akin. But you know, if there is a rule, a law, either you enforce it or none at all. Kaya mga kaibigan, kung hindi ko basahin kasi kilala kita, ang pinakamabuti kong magawa para sa bayan, mag-resign. Ikanon ako katali. Mahiya naman ako sa kumpare ko. Nakatulong naman ito sa pagka-presidente. Well and good. At mabayaran kita sa anong paraan. Mabuhay ko. Kung sabihin mo may nag-orimentado dyan, tawagan mo ako. Harapan natin dalawa. Pero not this one because this is not personal to me. Hindi ko kayo kalaban. Wala akong samang loob sa inyo. Pero galit na ako ngayon. Kasali ka na. Someday, magkikita tayo. I'll start with judges. Judge Mupas of Dasmariñas, Cavite. Judge Reyes, only known, Baguio City. Judge Savilo, RTC Branch 13, Iloilo City. Judge Casiple, Calibo, Aklan. Judge Rene Gonzalez, MTC, Blanco dito. Judge Navidad, RTC, Calbayog City. Judge Ezekiel Dagala, MTC, Judge Dapa, Siargao. Mayor Rinaldo Flores, Nagilian, La Union. Dante Garcia, Tubao, La Union. Martin de Guzman, Buang, La Union. Marjorie Apel Salazar, Lasam, Cagayan. Goto Violago, San Rafael, Bulacan. Marino Morales, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Felix Castillo, Langiden, Abra. Ex-Mayor Eufronio Erigel, Agoo, La Union. Jesus Celeste Boying, alias Bolinao, Pangasinan. Jose Pepe Miranda, Santiago City, Isabela. Vicente Amante, San Pablo City, Laguna. Ryan Dolor, Buan, Batangas. Vice Mayor Edgardo Trinidad, El Nido, Palawan. In the Visayas, Alex Centena, Kalinog, Iloilo. Julius Ronald Pacificador, Hamtec, Antique. Jed Mabilog, I think is the mayor, Iloilo City. Sigfredo Salangotin Beta, Carles, Iloilo. Marciano Malones, Maasin, Iloilo. Sabi ko noon Ngayon campaigning actually, lahat ng tao doon. Lahat ng tao. Mayor, kung maaari, tulungan mo kami. Huwag ko sentimento sa inyo, Huwag ko utang. Huwag ka ba nagpangayo sa akon? To, noon sa Iloilo, many times, almost desperate, Mayor Andruga. So we just pray that I will win, and maybe in the fullness of God's time, I will take care of this problem. Ito, I'm sorry, kaibigan tayo, pero Marciano Malones, Maasin, Iloilo. Michael Rama, the former mayor of Cebu City. Hector Ong, Lawang, Northern Samar. Rolando Espinosa. Alam mo, hinahanap kita hanggang ngayon. Nauna ka lang kay Bato. lahat kayong local officials, at this point, mag-ano muna ako, ha? Beda, Kanyamage, Basay, Negros Oriental. Ex-Mayor Madeline Ong, Laong Northern Samar. Dito muna ako. All policemen, PNP personnel, assigned as security guards, security personnel ng mayor I have mentioned, you are hereby relieved of your duty and immediately report to your mother unit. Wala na itong tatanggalin ko yung operational authority over them. 24 hours. Lahat, military, police, nakadikit dyan sa mga itong mga to. I give you 24 hours to report to your mother unit or I will whack you. I'll dismiss you from the service. Vice Mayor Francis Ansing Amboy, Maasin, Iloilo. Frals Sabalones, San Fernando, Cebu. Run for mayor, but actually maybe the lost. Attorney Antonio Pesena of Iloilo City. Erwin Tongtong, Plagata, Iloilo City. The most shabulized, is that the word? Shabulized. Yeah. Ina. Is there such a word, shabulized? You don't say that. Wala akong personal sa kanila, ha? Iloilo. Tagalan. Congressman, Congressman J.C. Raman Nava, Gumaras. Congressman Party List, Jeffrey Celis, Panay Chapter. Leader ko ba ang yan? Ano? Panay Chapter. Buisit. Wala pa ibang trabaho dyan? Baka may bakante sa inyo. Mindanao, Abubakar Abdul Karim Afdal, Labangan, Zamboanga del Sur. Gamar Ahay Janihin, Siraway, Zamboanga del Norte. David Navarro, Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur. Bobby Alingan, Colambogan, Davao del Norte. Yusupa Munder Bobong Ramin, Iligan City, Lanao del Norte. Jesse Aguilera, Alegria, Surigao del Norte. Fahad Salik, Marawi City. Muhammad Ali Abinal, yung surrender. Sino ka rin kasama nung yawa na yun? Dalawa sila. Jamal Dadayan, Buwa di Puso, Bontong, Lanao del Sur. Sabula, Makabago, Sagiran, Lanao del Sur. Muslim Alin Makadato, Lubatan, Lanao del Sur. Rasol Sangki, Dato Saudi, Ampatuan, Maguindanao. Montaser Sabal, Talitay, Maguindanao. Vicman Montawal, Dato Montawal, Maguindanao. Pati yung sarili niyang bayan. Samsudin Dimakum, Dato Saudi, Ampatuan, Maguindanao. Nuruddin Salasal, Dato Salibo, Maguindanao. Ex-Mayor Binahar Tulawi, Talipaw, Sulu. Rinaldo Parahinog, alias Andong, the Mayor of Osamis City. Nova Princess Parahinog Chavez, used to be the wife of, I think, Colangco. Yung poster boy doon sa blandi-blandi pa ang buhok. Hindi naman, tisoy. Alam mo, baskin sa'yo magpunta, abangan ko kayo. Baski wala na ako sa presidency, habang may baril ako. Gusto ninyo, gisingin ninyo ako para ito, sabi niya, hindi. Maybe I believe you. He's a personal friend. He's kasama namin sa kausa sa, but I'm sorry because your name appears here. Omar Solitario Ali, Marawi City. Used to be I said, alam mo, magkaibigan tayong iba nun. Rama Solitario. Either I read all or I read none. I cannot, play. Sa trabaho ko ito, I cannot. Kailangan basahin ko ito lahat. Nandito, galing sa military, pati sa police, lahat nandito, or hindi ko basahin. Abdul Wahib Sabal, Vice Mayor to, Talitay, Maguindanao. Otto Montawal, Dato Montawal, Maguindanao. Nida Dimagkon, Dato Saudi Ampatuan, Maguindanao. Arafat Salik, Marawi City. Rasmia Macabagos, Siguran, Lanao del Sur. Congressman Guillermo Romarate Jr., 2nd District, Surigao del Norte. Former 2nd Vice District Board Member Ricardo Parahinog Ardot. So iba tong si kapatid siguro to. I would like to just give you the advice. Once you hear your name mentioned here, if you are somewhere, you are now relieved of your present assignment. Report to the PNP within 24 hours, or I will order the entire armed forces and the police to hunt for you. Nasa sa inyo yan. Police Inspector Rolando Batolayan, retired. Police Superintendent Maristelo Manalo, PNP, CIDG. PIC Roberto Palisok, Station 7 MPD. Superintendent Ciceron Ada, retired. PCI Eric Binaventura Nabutas, non-commissioned officers. Kaya dumating tayo sa dito. You know why? Kayo yung enforcer. And you allowed yourself to be used. You are working for the government. Ang nagbubuhay mo noon, na bata pa kayo, bago ang Pilipino. Pagdating ninyo sa nasaan kayong putang ina kayo, nandito na kayo. You destroy the country. Sabihin ninyo kung anong gusto ninyo. Di magsiyamo na natin lahat. Masundalo. You want a country na, sabay na lang tayo. You have infected to date. Yung nag-surrender lang. Ha? Ang hindi nag-surrender, takot o matapang, and ready, hindi pa yan bilang. Now, there are now 600,000 Filipinos addict, pusher, and user. Huwag mo akong bigyan ng shit dyan na user ka lang. Wala ka naman pera. Hindi ka anak ng... Hindi kita iniinsulto. Ako anak rin ng mahirap. Pero hindi ako gaya mong gonggong. Ang IQ ninyo ito mga to, 14. Bakit kayo pumasa sa... That's treason. Kung baka in old times, treason now is a state of war and you become a spy and there is a war going on. But actually, in the olden times, it's treason. That's a crime against the country of the Republic of the Philippines. Hindi na lang kayo nakonsensya niyan. Meron pa dito mga pulis. Naririnig ko. Sabi, bakit ka magawa ng ganon? After 6 years, putang ina. Say goodbye to your promotion. Maghintay kayo 6 years. Say goodbye. Hindi ka na ma-promote. Either you're a cynic, sigurista ka, or you are a coward. Ngayon, kung takot ka, sinabi ko na sa inyo, sagot ko kayo personally and officially. Kung hindi pa ba nasapat sa iyong gonggong, umalis ka sa pwesto. Ito, wala na to. On hold. We will file, wag na yung criminal. Beyond reasonable doubt. Marunong kayo, police kayo. Administratively, you're dead. You separate yourself from the PNP. Do not destroy the young men and women who are true to their country. Huwag ninyong sirain ang PNP. Huwag ninyong sirain ang forces. Bagay, which is consolation to you guys here. Wala. Police Non-Commission Officer, PO2, Geraldine Bautista Manuel, PNP PRO2 Health Service. Babae ito. SPO3, Ronald Calap, Isabela PPO. POC Rodel Samoledo, Lalio Police Station. Kung saan yan. PO3 Cecilio Domingo, Nueva Ecija siguro to, CIDT. PO2 Romando Mendoza. This is, I think, excuse me. May Ryan. Ryan Mendoza, Tarlac Police Station. Jeffrey Serafica, Butuan PPO. PO1 Norman Adarlo, Puerto Galera, NPS. Mark Cañete, RSRPSB, Mimorap, ano itong yawa nito? Mimorapo, Mimorapa? Kayo lang ako nakarinig na, pisina yan? Ano yan, place? It's anong, PO1 Mark Christian Catalina, PNP Camarines Norte. PO2 Alan Carpio, PCP 8 Pasay City. PO3 Eric Lasso, QCPD Station 6. PO3 Alexander Macabeo, PCP 3 Parañaque City. PO3 Johnny Mahilom, QCPD Station 6, Batasan. Doon siguro pinapasa yung congressman na yun. PO2 Celito Milendres, Binangonan Police Station. Actually, ngayon lang ito as corrected. I had it validation pagdating. Raw lang yung akin eh. Kung tanggalin mo yung protector. Kasi hindi natin sigurado yan. Protect what? Sabihin niya, yung bata niya, huwag mong galawin yan, bata ni Duterte yung security niya. Parang ganon. So, I had it revalidated. And again, when I saw the mayors na kilala ko, I had revalidated. Ngayon lang ito pinasa sa akin. PNP officers, General, tapos na ito, Vicente Luot, retired. General Valerio Santa Barbara, Iloilo, retired. General Bernardo Diaz, Region 6. General Idio, RTC of Calbayog City. Police Superintendent Floro, retired, Antique, PNP, and City Director. Police Superintendent Kashmir Dimangkok, former COP of Iloilo Base Commander. Police Superintendent Delia Paz, Chief RDIDM. Police Superintendent Henepa, RIU 76 Intelligence. Police Superintendent Ipel Duenas, wala akong address. Superintendent Kaundag. Police Superintendent Eugenio Malik, PNP Maritime Group. PNP Lamsis, former page soft of Chief Antique, Anti-Drug. Police Superintendent Gumbok, Police Superintendent Leven, PIC Rio Maymay, PSI Kenneth Militar, yung isa sa Iloilo, Militar Iloilo, PSI Donasco, walang address. PIN Inspector De Jose, CSOG, PNP Region 6. Police Inspector Duarte, buti na hindi Duterte ang yawa. Former CAP, PCOP of Arevalo, Iloilo. Iloilo, grabe talaga. Wala itong sumiyong political. PIC Vicente, Chief of Police, Banate. Superintendent Romeo Santander, former Chief Intel Cebu. PO3 Ryan Martos Quiamco, Cebu Provincial Office. PNP Officers, Mindanao. PCI Ibrahim Jabiran, Zamboanga CPO. PCI Perfecto Abrasaldo, Awit Jr., Misamis Oriental. Police Inspector Roy Sinojales Montes, Iligan, PRO. Police Superintendent Ricardo Gando, Pulot, alias Cap Dugans, Chief of Police, Quezon, Bukidnon. Police Inspector Martin Plaza, former Panabo Chief Intel. Kaya 600,000. Ito yan sila. Police non-commissioned officer. Pioman Pierre Diso. Yung aide ko pa man, si Dilo. O baka mapalitan nila ito, ma-arresto ko si Dilo, kawawa naman. Yung isang aide ko, yung counterpart niya sa Manila. PO3 Omar, itong Zamboanga de Soriana, Diso. PO1 Omar Wani, Zamboanga City Public Safety. Romel Mansol, PRO 9. Ba't itong report na ito? PO3 Darrell Page, Labasan Municipal Station. SPO1 Totong Joe Valdez, 9 RMG. SPO1 Rodrigo Butit na lang ni Duterte. Malapit ang madisgrasya dito. Babaril ako sa likod. No? Nakakak ng mga baril niyan eh. Naghanap lang yan ng excuse for matay. SPO4 Rodrigo Ramos, Bukidnon, PRO. SPO1 Rinaldo de la Victoria, CDO. SPO3 Emilio Mendoza, Lusaria, PP5, Iligan City. Marlo Espinosa, Bukidnon. Police SPO3 Richie Mat, CIDG Mate, Davao Oriental. Ano siguro ito yung Davaoenyo? SPO3 Rosel Elivera, Ilivera. CIDG Tagum, Davao del Norte. PO3 Jesse Balabag, Region 11. Ikaw, bakit ka nakatawa dyan? Ikaw, ha? PO3 Filimino Soronia, Digos Police Station. PI1 Glen Alicarte, PO Pro 12, walang address. PO1 Philip Pantarolia, Tacorong City Police Office. SPO1 Jerry De La Rosa is SCP PO. It's not complete. PO3 Bebot Ruiz, GSC PO. Police PO3 Estelito Solanyo, Malongon, MPS Sarangani. PO1 Jerebel Oxio, PRO Arimen. I am sorry for my country. I grieve for the agony and suffering of the Republic of the Philippines. SPO1 Billones Ernesto, NCR. JS1 Montemayor Lito, Rojas District, Jail, Apari District. PO1, PO1, Vicente Rinaldo Celes, NCR. PG Saet Drexel, Mima Rupa. SPO1 Tubil Felix, Region 3. SPO3 Angeles Nicolas Ponce, Region 3. SPO2 Merceni Rod Marindoki, BFP. FO1 Rinaldo Valencia, Claveria Police Station. Sergeant Vic De La Cruz, Mimarupa. Brigadier General Leonzo Daniega, NCR. SPO3 Jerry Mendoza, NCR. Rimanti Daito, Region 5. Raymar Daito, Region 5. Visayas, Zamora Renato Gumaro, Region 6. J1 Alan Coca, Manatad, Region 7. SPO3 Christy Cielo Tingag, Region 7. Mindanao. This is the last. Meron tayong problema dito. Arsad Kasim Miro Castro Kafgo, 38 IB 6 Infantry Division, ARMM. PFC Arsad Philip Miro, 40 IB 6 Infantry Division, RMM. Corporal Cusinan Lopez Giamad Loy, 52 Brigade, ARMM. PFC Mama Dali Ipad, 64th IB 6 Infantry Division, ARMM. Yasin Abul Galib Bobong, Yasin Boboy, walang ano. JO1 Cubacho Alfredo Gales. FO1 Aplaca Nicolas Ponce. ARMM. FO3 Ibanez Ricardo Villariz, Region 9. Marine Corporal Alfrens Burias Abidin, Western Mindanao. Jimmy Manglangit, Region 12. This is others are doing revalidation again. Alam ko kasi hindi I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Pero pag ito kasi, it has undergone a process.